Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie and this is Story Sparks. Sometimes it's hard to get our bodies and our minds to calm down and be quiet. So today we're going to make a glitter jar, and a glitter jar is a great way to focus your attention on something that helps quiet the body. We're using 1 liter plastic bottles for our glitter jars. A clear container in any size will work. You'll need hot water, clear glue, a funnel, glitter, sequins, or some combination, and tape or hot glue to seal your bottle shut. The first step is to add the clear glue to your bottle. This is the agent that slows down the glitter or movement of the other items in your glitter bottle. So you can add as much or as little as you like. For a 1 liter bottle, we added about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of glue. So the more glue that you decide to add, the slower your glitter will move. Next, pour in about 2 cups of hot water. You're going to put the cap back on after this step and shake the bottle so that the glue and the water can combine into one solution. The next step is to add the items into your glitter bottle that you want to float around in the solution. So in this one, we're going to use some plastic beads, some sequins, and the glitter that we had lying around the house. We also didn't have a second funnel, and our first funnel still had some glue in it. So in order for those things not to stick to the funnel and go right down into the bottle, we made a funnel out of paper and some painter's tape. When you're happy with the amount of glitter and other items in your bottle, go ahead and fill it up with room temperature water and put the cap on top. I'm going to use electrical tape to seal the top of my bottle, but you could also use a hot glue gun or duct tape. And our glitter jars are ready to go. Here you can really see the difference in the amount of glue that we added to the jars and how it affects how slowly the glitter falls to the bottom. In the gold jar, we put about 2 cups of clear glue, and in the green jar, we put just over 1 cup of clear glue into the jar. And so you can see that the green falls quite a bit more quickly than the gold does. When you're ready to practice, take your glitter jar to a quiet, cozy space, either in your house or outdoors. Give it a few hard shakes, take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out as you watch that glitter float to the bottom.